I'm Trace Lawless, First Vice President of the International Association of Arson Investigators. We're out here in Burlington, North Carolina today doing live burn demonstrations on a classroom portion for the insurance industry combined with the fire service industry here within the area. Most insurance professionals and claims professionals don't get the opportunity to see fire from its incipient state, when it actually ignited to its full growth potential. Most of the times claims professionals are seeing fire after the incident occurred, going in there, adjusting the insurance claim, mitigating the losses, using restoration companies and rehab companies to restore that loss for the property that's been damaged. By introducing the claims professional into the fire investigation side of the world, they have a better understanding of the components and the education and the background it takes to understand fire growth, fire behavior, fire science, and the overall aspect of how fire propagates from a very small flame of a match to a large flame that encompasses the cells like today.
The reason why that's so important is because there is no substitute for a competent fire scene origin and cause investigation. The fire scene or the explosion scene itself is the best evidence of what happened. So the IAAI's mission, in a nutshell, is training public, private sector fire and explosion investigation professionals, including insurance claim professionals, to become their best selves. What that means for the students and participants today is it helps them to give them the context. That context, being able to witness the live fire scenarios, being able to understand how fire behaves, being able to know how fire is traveling, where it's coming from, is going to help them speak the language of the experts, which is going to bring clarity, which is going to help translate to making more informed claims decisions. And it doesn't stop there. It actually provides the claim professional with that context to see how these claims play out in the civil or criminal litigation arena. Helping give that information to them on the front end is going to help them understand how that process works, working together with qualified, certified, and competent technically trained counsel, the public sector, and it really is a team approach. It is a team approach to all come together and to try to figure out where the fire occurs, what starts it, and how things progress from there.
Our goal is to spread this knowledge around the world. We are an international organization, 83 chapters around the world, over 12,000 members. Okay? So what we want to do is be able to offer these programs at a reasonable cost with sponsorships and support from the local communities, the restoration companies, the rehab companies, and things of that nature, to bring these locally to insurance carriers, local fire departments, to expand their knowledge of fire investigations and how it relates directly to the insurance side of the world.
For more information, feel free to visit www.firearson.com, as well as www.cfitrainer.net for more information about how we can bring this class to your area on a regional level.